Eric Schmidt, Google's executive chairman, made an interesting statement that is raising a few eyebrows. Take a listen.
I would answer very simply that the internet will disappear. The internet will be, there'll be so many IP addresses because of IPv6, so many devices, sensors, things that you're wearing, things that you're interacting with, that you won't even sense it. It'll be part of your presence all the time.
Those are some provocative words right now. So joining us now to break it down is Jag Bath. He's Senior VP of Products at Retail Me Not. Jag, what did Schmidt mean when he said the internet is basically going to disappear?
Well, it's a bold statement for sure, but it's also a play on words. What he really means is he's talking about the way we used to access the internet and how we access it now and how that's changing. So we used to access the internet, by sitting at our desktop computers, connecting to the internet, surfing the web. But now our phones are connected, our cars are connected, our watches are connected, and everything in our home is connected. And so the act of actually physically connecting to the internet is changing. We're just connected all the time.
And just to dig into that a little bit more, Schmidt said a, quote, highly personalized, highly interactive, and very, very interesting world will emerge. What does that mean? Does that speak to this Internet of Things?
Yeah, for sure. When you're always connected, you're sharing data when you're always connected. And so leveraging that data to push you information that is relevant to you is what he's really talking about.
Okay, and just to shift gears here, this isn't the first headline we've gotten out of Google or from a Google executive this week. We're also getting news that Google's looking to get into the telecom business, working with T-Mobile and Sprint. What does the future hold for wireless carriers, especially when you realize how much competition is already underway in that space?
Yeah, well, their entry is going to change things a lot. Based on their history, they're probably going to disrupt this space pretty dramatically. They've done this with email, they've done this with maps, they're doing this with cars, they've obviously done it with search as well. So they're going to innovate a lot faster in the space, which will mean that the wireless carriers will need to catch up. They'll probably bring pricing down as well. They're buying access to these carriers at wholesale, so they'll probably pass that on to consumers. So it's going to get very competitive in the space for sure.
Certainly will be interesting to see how this plays out, especially with the internet disappearing. Jag Bath, thanks for joining us. Thank you for watching. I'm Morgan Brennan. Have a great day.